Alright. You guys ready? Alright, look. Come in the middle. Tie gloves. Go back to your corners.
Round 2 starts right now.
Hey, Minnick. Let me know when you're about to start.
We still got one more round.
When you about to start? 3, 2,
Alright.
go.
No, you don't need to touch gloves.
They already touched gloves.
Here we go. Once y'all touch gloves.
Keep your head up, motherfucker.
Round 1 went to the fighter in the black. Stand up.
Take a move forward. Stop being retarded. Doing like to rush in. There you go. There you go, Stanky.
I was not trying to push him out the ring.
Keep me in. Come on. What the fuck is it, man?
There you go, Stanky. There you go. Hit body shot. Stop trying to go for the head. His body's open too.
Ooh, good punch.
Yeah,
Come on. In the middle. Let's go.
Let's go. Body's open. Julian, throw straight. Stop throwing like a throw. There you go. Oh, there you go. Go.
Let's go. Come in. The fuck are you doing?
Come on, man.
Capitalize on every fucking mistake, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, Sam.
Yeah, throw in the towel. Keep hitting him. Don't give him no fucking break.
Yo, technically you can hit him. You can hit him.
I'm not going to take Tony's longbow, Joe. You quit.
No, you have to quit. Say
He quit. He quit. Julia.
10,
Julia won.
9,
Let's go.
8,
I give it
7, 6,
5,
5, 4,
Get up. We
3,
gotta do it. Come on.
2, 1.
Winner.
I get Julia the gloves.
Lost.
Oh my God.
Well, damn.
Bro, you was talking, right?